Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add certifications on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the LinkedIn app, open it, and after that, click on your picture on the top left of the screen, click on your name, and after that, go and click on Add Section, and click on Recommended. And as you can see, there is an option called Add Licenses and Certifications. Just click on it. And after that, you have to put the name of the certification, the issuing organization, the issue date, expiration date, if there is some expiration date, the credential ID and the credential URL for anyone to be sure that you really got this certification, and you can find all those certifications on your certificate or on your account, like from where you got those certifications. And after that, you can add the skills related to that certification. And finally, you can add a picture of that certification and add it to your profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.